In this lesson, we will examine the chamfer tool. Let's select the chamfer tool. Here there's an angle distance selected. Let's select this edge. We will see a preview of this chamfer. It's 10 millimeters and at a 15-degree angle. If we want to flip the chamfer, simply check this box. Click OK to accept these changes. Okay, let's suppress this chamfer. Right-click on it and select Suppress. Now let's create a new one. Click on the chamfer tool again. This time we will create a distance chamfer. Let's select the same edge. Here's our preview. Let's click OK. Now, what happened here is that SolidWorks cut out our other features. Let's fix this problem. Right-click, select Edit Feature. Now let's check Keep Features. And click OK to accept this. Okay, see, all of our features are intact now. Let's suppress this chamfer and create another one. This time we'll choose Vertex. We keep it equidistant at 5 millimeters. Click OK to accept it. In this lesson, we're going to create a revolved feature. Let's start by creating a shape. Click the Sketch tool. Choose the top plane. Click the Line tool. Now let's draw our shape. Okay, we're going to close it now and create a center line. Choose the Auto Dimension tool. And let's define our sketch. Click OK. Activate the Feature toolbar and click the Revolved tool. Here we have a few options. You can choose the center line, the direction of the revolution. You can also choose some options from this drop-down menu: one direction, mid-plane, and two direction, where we operate the end of the revolved feature independently. And click OK. Okay, and here's our revolved feature. In this lesson, we're going to create a revolved cut. Let's start by drawing a sketch on this surface. We right-click on the surface and select Insert Sketch. We're going to go with a normal 2 view. Let's draw a simple shape. We'll select our Line tool. And I'll just drag it across the surface. Okay, we're going to close the shape. Let's auto dimension it with the auto dimension tool. Click OK to accept. And exit the sketch. Okay, let's select the revolved cut feature. And select a center line. We can select a number of center lines here, actually. We can also change the direction of the cut. We can choose one direction, change the angle, mid-plane as well, or two direction. You can see the change that makes. Now let's choose one direction. Let's click OK. Here we have our cut. It's not all the way through, so let's fix that. Right-click, edit this feature, and let's enter a value of 360 degrees. That'll get it all the way around. When you accept it, you can see now that it is all the way through. And that concludes our review of a revolved cut. In this lesson, we'll be examining the mirror feature. Let's select the mirror tool. Now I'm going to mirror this feature against the front plane. I select the front plane and select a feature. Click OK to accept. Let's click the mirror tool again. Now I'm going to mirror both of these features against this surface. Let's select the surface, the feature that we want to mirror. Click OK to accept. And we have our model. That concludes our review of the mirror tool.